Everybody, Chris here. So I'm back from vacation and look what happened. I knew it was going to be an exciting week as predicted in my September price prediction for Dogecoin, and it certainly did not disappoint. But what we're going to talk about today is, do you have enough Dogecoin? What is going on? Who's accumulating? We're going to talk about that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. Be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. I'll be live again Friday at 4 o'clock p.m. East Coast time. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday I'm live. Make sure that you are subscribed and you have all of your notifications on. Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Sui. I've been talking about Sui. Aave still doing well. All of that we expand our discussions on the live streams to cover a lot of other cryptocurrencies as well. But in this video, it's really going to be focused on Dogecoin because this breakout is coming. And do you have enough Dogecoin? Let's get into it. Let me show you the charts and the news. I'll show you what I'm looking at. We start here looking at the Dogecoin chart, and we're just over 10.6 cents. That's right. And we've got this line up here, 10.8 for Dogecoin. Let me come out to the 4-hour chart and you will see all this mess that's going on right here. This was the FOMC Fed announcement of a 50 basis point rate cut, which was more than I had expected them to do. So that was surprising. Knew there would be volatility. There certainly was. And what was that? The volatility was mostly to the upside. Yes, we had some up and down action, but mostly up to the upside, trying to get back up to 10.8 cents that we had here 13 September before dropping pre-FOMC. We had that dump, again, grabbing more liquidity, taking out leveraged long trades down just below 10 cents again. So you had an opportunity to buy some more Doge below 10 cents, but did you? And do you have enough Dogecoin for what is going to come? Again, this white line here was my September price prediction video that I made 20 days ago, back on September 1st. And it seems to be following it fairly well. So we will watch that as we go forward. And Bitcoin also 64K, just touched it this morning, over 64K. Took out some shorts there, now settling back just a bit. That's expected in the trading though. As we zoom in a little closer here, very typical of what you would see. So again, in the live stream, we will expand our discussion out to cover a lot more other cryptocurrencies, as well as Sui and Sei and others that have been going crazy this week. But for now, what is going on with Doge? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin surge higher after Fed rate cuts. Usually when the rate cuts happen, there is that volatility. It takes about a day or so for things to settle down a bit. And we just have these slow and steady gains happening now. Of course, the market makers could just dump it back down, take out more leverage, because we do have a lot of high, heavy leverage trading happening. But at least overall, that is what we see for the performance this week. Dogecoin's Fear and Greed Index is now up over 50, now 54. And it's getting greener. It's moving to the right. Again, all of this is building, slowly building for what is going to be coming. Is 15 cents in sight? Whale demands profits. Dogecoin gained 5% this week. Whales boosting demand. Whale inflows have risen by 39%, pushing 70% of Dogecoin supply into profit. So we're back to that 70% mark of total wallets that hold Dogecoin being in profit. A bullish RSI, that's Relative Strength Index, and MACD suggests Doge could break 15-cent resistance unless profit taking leads to a downtrend. And that's always the case anytime you're going to have a spike, but it's all being manipulated for the leverage trade as well. So rising RSI, and we do have Dogecoin whales on-chain data shows a significant increase in large holders inflow. Addresses holding over 0.1% of Doge's circulating supply are considered large holders. I wish I was one of those. Maybe I don't have enough Dogecoin either. Well, the past 7 days, this group has boosted their coin accumulation by 39%. That's right. When we saw the dip back below 10 cents, huge whale buying, the big, large wallets buying more Dogecoin. So, due to Doge's rally, the percentage of its circulating supply held in profit has spiked. And what's going to happen with profit taking? Well, we do see that every time there's a huge run, usually those fast runs we have with Doge, you'll see the drops. But these slow and steady climbs are what helps Doge hold its higher position better. We've talked about the Dogecoin versus Bitcoin trading pair. Again, it is still down. That's right. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. We'll compare Doge to Bitcoin. And despite this big run up we've seen with Dogecoin this week, well, we saw the same with Bitcoin. And so the Doge Bitcoin pair is still down. 16.7 right now, because Bitcoin has had a lot of heavy buying going on with this FOMC Fed rate cut news. So Doge is poised. It is down here, 16.7, waiting to take off. Again, this is all coiling up for a Dogecoin run. So that's the Doge BTC trading pair, and again, this is saying that the possibility of Doge taking over the cryptocurrency market, that's what we're looking at because of Doge's potential for all of these different use cases, mostly X, could be Tesla, other things Elon has planned, but we're also seeing a lot more businesses setting up Dogecoin for acceptance as a payment. So this was Master Kenobi. We talked about this last week where he went through this whole long drawn out explanation about Dogecoin's price potential. And in this tweet that he did, he's actually comparing Dogecoin and where Dogecoin is now compared to Bitcoin back in 2016. Similar market caps between where Doge is now versus where Bitcoin was in 2016. Bitcoin was inflating quite a bit. Again, that was 2 halvings ago. So a lot more Bitcoin was coming in to circulation every 10 minutes. And so many days after the halving, Bitcoin took off. That's right, late 2016 into 2017, huge run. That is the type of run that Kenobi's talking about coming for Doge. Dima James Potts looks at, again, big price potentials for Dogecoin, and again, looking at previous cycles, again, 4-year cycles, all playing out, and the potential for a huge run again. And this is actually following previous rate cuts as well. So this is looking at these blue lines are when there were previous rate cuts that the Fed made and what happened with Dogecoin going on runs. Dogecoin eyes massive rally. Can Doge break 11 cents this weekend? So this weekend is going to be key in looking at sort of the post Fed rate cut like boom that we've just had, and is that going to sustain over the weekend? We'll talk about this more during the live stream, but that's what we're looking at coming forward, as can Doge maintain upper 10s and maybe even break 11 cents this weekend. So we will be watching that. And what about this bigger breakout? Ali is looking at key resistance levels where big amounts of Doge are in profit or about to become profit. Could that signal some profit taking happening at that level? I don't really I believe in sort of these kinds of sort of I don't think, like, as soon as someone's in profit, like a little bit in Doge, they're going to be selling right now. I don't think so. I think most crypto holders are looking at the much bigger picture of this bull market that we've kind of been in, had a bearish summer, certainly, since the Bitcoin halving. We're waiting for the big run to come. That's what we're looking at. It's the big run to come. So lastly, again, chart after chart after chart, the calm before the storm. Are we looking at an acceleration in the price of Doge? Bitcoin going to 100K, that would be great, but Doge only going to 21 cents? No. Doge would have a much bigger target in mind, percentage-wise. So investing in Doge, again, not financial advice, but that Doge BTC trading pair is going to turn around and you're going to see Doge outperform Bitcoin. It's going to happen. We're waiting for it. So that's what we have overall. Hey, let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Do you have enough Dogecoin? Come join in the live stream. Give this video a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.